So I'm going to show you how to plant cauliflower seeds. This one is cauliflower all year round. Mainly you would probably sow these direct, so you'd want to do that 1/2 inch deep and about 3 to 6 inch apart between rows. But for this demonstration I'll show you how to do it in these seed trays. So I've filled this with seed and cutting compost, and I'm just going to water that first. So as I said, you can do this direct, but you can, if you want, start them off in modules and then plant them out into position later on. Okay, so they're relatively small, so I'm just going to sow these direct onto here. I'll just sprinkle them on, get a few in each module, and then you can thin them out later on. Okay, so I'm just going to push these down a little bit, just because they prefer to be about 1/2 inch deep. Okay, and then I'm just going to top that off with more seed compost. Okay, and then you don't need to put these in a heated propagator. They can go in a cold store or in a unheated greenhouse. And then as soon as the seedlings come through, you can thin them out and then pop the modules where you want them, either in your allotment or garden or wherever. But that's how you start them off.